have already done this kind of multiplication in the last section. In this section, we're going to take a closer look at these special products, looking for shortcuts to our multiplication. The more comfortable we are identifying and multiplying these special products, the easier the factoring of these will be when we get to the next chapter. Until we know the shortcut to multiplying these, we will expand it out and FOIL as we discussed in the last section. Let's begin by analyzing the final products of these 4 examples. The first term and the last term of the products are perfect squares. They are the squares of the first term in the binomial and of the last term. Next, the middle term of the final product, always even. The reason the middle term is even is due to the fact that the outer and inner products are the same. Whenever you add a number to itself, the result will always be even. The other thing we notice is the sign in the square of the binomial is the same sign as the middle term for that final product. So here's the shortcut to squaring a binomial. First square first and last term of the binomial. This gives us x squared and 9. Then multiply the numbers together in the binomial. And then double this for the middle term. -3 times x doubled gives us -6x. Let's try the shortcut. Square the first term and last term in the binomial. This gives our first and last terms. For the middle term, multiply the 2 terms of the binomial together and then double. 10 doubled gives us 20x, a middle term. In summary, the square of a binomial, always a trinomial. We talked about a shortcut, and if you're not comfortable with the shortcut, then continue to expand out the product and FOIL as usual. We finished with our last special product. This time we are multiplying 2 binomials together that have the same terms but opposite signs in the binomials. When this is the case, the inner and outer products will always add to 0. The result will be a difference of 2 squares. Notice the subtraction between the 2 terms, and also notice how all of the terms that make up those results are perfect squares. As for the shortcut, don't worry about the inner and outer products. They'll always drop out. So we square the first term, we square the last term. Sign in the middle is always negative due to the opposite signs in the original binomials. We have had this discussion regarding special products due to the fact that in the next chapter, we'll be going the opposite direction. We'll be asked to factor. We will be given a perfect square trinomial or a difference of 2 squares to factor. So if we recognize the result of these special products, hopefully we'll be able to factor more easily. Thank you for listening.